As the world becomes more connected, cyber threats are on the rise, putting personal and business data at risk. Here are the top 5 ways to protect yourself from the latest cyber threats. 1. Use strong and unique passwords. Create strong passwords that are at least 12 characters long and include a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. 2. Keep your software up to date. Regularly update your operating system and software to ensure that you have the latest security patches and bug fixes. This helps to prevent hackers from exploiting known vulnerabilities in outdated software. 3. Use antivirus and anti-malware software. Install reputable antivirus and anti-malware software to protect your device from viruses, malware, and other malicious software. 4. Beware of suspicious emails and links. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading attachments from unknown senders. These can be phishing attempts, which trick you into providing sensitive information or downloading malware. 5. Back up your data. Regularly back up your important data and files to an external hard drive or cloud storage. This ensures that you can still access your data in the event of a cyber attack or system failure. By following these 5 steps, you can better protect yourself and your business from the latest cyber threats. Stay vigilant and always keep your guard up against potential attacks.